My forever smile journey started like this. My name is Laurel, and I'm originally from the Philippines. I never really took good care of my teeth. For years, I struggled with dentures that would fall out whenever I tried to speak. It was so frustrating, especially when I was talking with clients, always worrying if my dentures would stay in place. After a lot of thought, I chose the Forever Smile, and it's been life-changing. Now I can finally enjoy a good steak, and I don't feel nervous or embarrassed when I'm speaking. I decided to do my top and bottom teeth, and I am so happy. They look and feel amazing. Now I don't have to worry of my dentures falling out while I am talking to my guests at work. It's given me so much more confidence, and I couldn't be happier with the results. Thank you, Forever Smile, for giving me back my smile and my life. All the pain that I had, it's gone. This was worth every penny. The staff was so friendly. The procedure was painless. I knew what to expect every visit. For anyone thinking about doing this, my advice to them would be, don't wait too long. I can't stop smiling. My family and friends says that I'm a completely new person. I have so much confidence, and I smile everywhere that I go. Thank you. I love my Forever Smile.